Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. So, today in this video, let's talk about the departments which you can find inside the employees module. So, managing a department in Odoo as well as creating new department is what we are going to do today. For that, first let's open the employees. Okay. So, here we have the employees. Open that. And under employees, you can see the departments. Okay. So go to employees, departments. Now we are going to create a new department. Before that, here you can see the dashboard of different departments. So here you can create a new department. Okay. So creating a department is very simple. What you have to do is fill in the form. Okay. So first you have to specify a descriptive name for the department. So I'll give it as sales. Okay. Sales department. And then you have to set a manager. Okay, you have to select the department manager from the drop down. So I'll put Amy as the department manager. And then you have a parent department. So here you have to select the parent department if applicable. So I'll put that in a management sales. Okay. And here you have the company. Okay. So from here you can select the company the department belongs to, and then you have the option to choose the color. So here in the color, you can choose a color for the department to visually distinguish it in the Kanban view. So I'm choosing a color, let it be this one. Okay. Now I've created a department, a parent department, a manager, a company, and a color. Next, I'm going to save this. Okay. So after saving this, you can see the department organization chart and all. And what you have next is the, if you just go back to departments, you can see this is the dashboard of the department. Okay. So departments basically have three different views. One is the Kanban view. Okay. So this displays department as card with key information. So if you take a look, each card has the manager, the company, the name of the department, and how many employees are there in the department. Okay. And then you have the, if you just open it under the three dots, you go to the configuration, you can see the department details here. Okay. You can go back. So that's the Kanban view or the card view. Okay. So you can see each card has different colors which we have chosen while we created all these departments. And then you have list view for the very same thing. So this is the list view where you can see details like the department name, the company, manager, employees, the parent department. And if you click here, you can even add the custom filters, the custom fields. Okay, so this actually displays department in a table format, which includes columns for department name, company, and all, and then which allows you to batch actions on multiple departments. So you can choose it from here, and under the actions you can batch and do certain things like deleting, archiving, duplicating and all. Okay, so that's the list view. And finally you have the hierarchy view. Okay, so this is the hierarchy. If you click on that, here you have the hierarchy view. So this displays department in an organizational chart format. Okay, and it is easy to visualize the department hierarchy within your company, and you can view department details and also view all of the employees within the department and its sub departments. So if you just take a look, you can see the management under which you have this professional services, R&D, as well as the administration, and under which comes the sales. So this is how it thing, here you have a thing to unfold it. So if you unfold, you can see a sales department comes under the sales which we created right now. Okay, so this is how the hierarchy view works. So within uh you know within certain departments you can create another department as well, and that's how you do it. So here you can view all the list of employees within the department. So under each department it shows different counts. So if I click on this, You can see the three different employees which are coming under the sales department. Similarly, if you go and click on the department, you can see all the details given there. So that's how simply you can create and configure a department in the employee views, the employee modules. So I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.